Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming a get ready with me. I'm going to start off with the Lavender Spray. It doesn't really do anything special, but I just like to refresh my skin before I apply my makeup. Then I just tap that in. Next, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty Primer. After I finish applying it, I'm going to let it sit on my face before I put on the rest of my face makeup. After my primer sets in, I'm going to use the Shiseido Synchro Skin Glow Foundation in the shade Neutral 4. I'm going to dot this all over my face and blend it in with my Sapphire Beauty Blender. I know my foundation looks a little dark on camera, but trust me, it looks better in person. After everything's blended, I'm going to take my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in Sand and put it over my blemishes, under my eyes, and any other dark spots. I'm going to blend under my eyes and dark spots with my Beauty Blender. And for my blemishes, I'm going to use my finger to pat it in. Next, I'm going to set my face with the Maybelline Fit Me powder and Buff Beige with my Beauty Blender. Then I'm going to curl my lashes. Sorry, I was out of frame for this part because I had to go closer to the mirror. And I'm going to apply this Lash Maximizer from Kate White. This just helps prep my lashes for mascara and adds volume. After that, I'm going to apply the Maybelline Rocket Mascara. To make this look more glowy, I'm going to apply my ColourPop highlighter on the cusp with a fan brush on the high points of my cheeks, tip of my nose, and Cupid's bow. For lips, I usually just use the Glossier Mintbalm.com. For my brows, I'm just going to brush my brows first. Then apply the ColourPop Clear Brow Gel and brush them again so they look clean and not bushy. Lastly, I'm going to use the Lavender Spray one more time to set my makeup. Okay, that's the end of my get ready with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Comment down what you want to see for the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.